Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I do unboxing from different subscriptions that I have purchased with my own money. And today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing on my boxycharm for this month. So let's get started and see what I got in my box. Got Super Bloom. Got this little car. Oh, got pretty good. Looks like I got good stuff in my box. So let's see. I got this liquid velvet lipstick. V Cosmetic. Got this lipstick. And it's in bubbles. Bubbly. I think that's what it's called. Oh, bubbly. Really nice, like kind of like a pinkish color. Cute color. So yeah. And this liquid lipstick. Let's see what's the price. This one is for $22. The product you need to add to your makeup, formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long wearing. Makes a unique statement with your fashion forward vibe. Nice. So this one. Let's see. Oh, this is the item 8 Hug Concealer. Got a concealer. And the shade 200. And the shade 200. And this concealer is $18. This medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go. This lightweight formula features carica papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidant like vitamin C and lend a smooth, seamless finish. Its pillowy texture glided on effortless and melted into your skin without a greasy inside. And this is how it looks. Cute. I like how it looks on top, like green, like orangey, and then it starts to fade into this silver color. Looks cute. Hopefully it's my match. And it says it's vegan, non-comedogene. And this concealer is $18. I think I already said that. And next is Skin Ink Supplement Bar Serum Glow Filter. This serum is $50. And glow up you with the world first skincare makeup serum glow filter. Blending beauty and technology in one bottle. This clean, clever con concoction is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and skin in top to boost selling. And what's cute? Do you see this? The little beads that it has looks cute. Kind of like to display it. I feel like just leaving it in my drawer to display because it looks so cute. And what else? It will give you a selfie filter in real life. Perfect for a day and day use in its skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Nice. Nice apps for that. Really excited to try this one. And now I got this milkdew pH balance moisture milk toner. With the vegan probiotic prickly pearl extract. Nice glowoasis. This is cute. I'm really excited to try this one. It's vegan, clean, effective. And this one is $34. Come on, glassy. It looks cute. Looks cute. This bottle looks cute. You can see like where it is when you start using it, which is something that I like. Try to see how much I have left. Cute. Like it. Happy to try that one on. Excited. And the last thing in my box is this yensa skin on skin beauty sponge. Another beauty sponge. I got this beauty sponge and it's red. It's red with that angle on the top. Just cute. And this beauty sponge is $18. Very cute sponge. So yeah, this is all the items I got in my box for this month. Love everything I got in my box. Very excited to try a lot of the items I got my box. So yeah, hope you guys like this video and hope to see you soon and hope to see you soon in another video. And if you guys like anything or have tried any of these items that I got in my box, let me know what you think, which one, if you liked it, or yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.